Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tassya Salsabila Ramadhiani from English Education Study Program in Hana University. And now I want to show you an information about how to make steamboat. Steamboat is one kind of spicy fishbowl soup and we can consume it in rainy days. So let's get started.
So the first thing we have to do is preparing the ingredients. The topping of steamboat are mushrooms, 1 ounce of shrimp, and fishball. I use 3 kinds of fishball. And for the spice, there are 4 cloves of garlic, 6 cloves of shallot, 4 chili, 5 cayenne pepper, a lemongrass, 2 citrus leaf, chili powder, a green onion, celery, salt, pepper, and sugar. So the first thing we have to do is cut the chili, shallot, garlic, and also the cayenne pepper, and put it on food processor. And put a 1/4 cup of water and blend it all. Take a pot above the stove and put 2 tablespoons of oil. Third, put the blended spice and saute until fragrant and the water shrinks. Put 5 cups of water and boil it. Six, put a galangal and mash it. Then put it on the pot. Don't forget to add the citrus leaf too. Don't forget to stir it so the water and spice will combine. Put the fishball into the soup. While waiting the fishbowl, put some citrus juice to the shrimp. Put the shrimp and mushroom into the pot. Add 1 per 3 tablespoons of chili powder, a half tablespoon of salt, and also a half tablespoon of sugar, and stir it. Add some green onion, and celery. Steamboat is ready to serve now. You can put it on a bowl, and if you think it doesn't really spicy, you can add some chili powder, or if you want the fresh sensation, you can add a citrus juice.
So that's the tutorial from me, and don't forget to try the recipe at your home, and see you at my next video. Bye!